Hi everyone and welcome to the channel. In this video I'm going to show you how you can buy Zambian company stocks or shares right from the comfort of your home in only 5 easy steps. Towards the end of the video, I even share one extremely important tip about buying shares in Zambia. As some of you may know, the Lusaka Stock Exchange, the LUSE, as well as the Securities Exchange Commission, the SEC, launched the application called MyLuse App to allow Zambians such as you and me to be able to buy and sell shares right from the comfort of our homes using smartphones. The MyLuse App is a mobile trading application aimed to boost investment in companies listed on the Lusaka Stock Exchange. Users can choose to buy and sell securities from anywhere within the country so long they have an internet connection, and it aims to make investing in stocks and shares easy for an average Zambian citizen. The app was launched in March 2021. Now, before we proceed, please be reminded that I'm not a financial advisor and it's prudent that you do your own research before you invest in securities or shares. Now, to get started, you need the following. Number one, you need a smartphone that is able to download the MyLuse app from the Google Play Store or the Apple App Store. 2, you need an active email address that you have access to. 3, you need an active Zambian phone number, preferably an MTN number. Number 4, you will need an active MTN mobile money account, an active MTN mobile money SIM card with the funds that you wish to use to purchase the shares. Step 1, we need to install the MyLuse app on your smartphone. Download the MyLuse app from the Google Play Store or the Apple App Store. Make sure that it's the correct application from the correct app developer. If you're not sure, just click on the links that I have provided for in the description below. Click install. Step 2, let's set up the app. Once you have the app installed, open the MyLuse app. If you already have an account, this is the part where you log in, but if you do not, this is the part where you click on register. Enter the details required here, that is your full names, your email, your resident type, and the phone number. Ensure that the phone number that you've entered is the one that you're currently using. Enter the national registration card number or NRC. Once done, the app will ask you to verify the phone number and the email address that you entered previously. The OTP or the one-time PIN will be sent to both your phone number and the email address that you had entered. Check your messages and enter the OTP. Check your email and also paste the OTP that has been sent to your email here. Click verify. Continue and enter the address and the postal code. Mostly 10101 will suffice as a postal code. Choose the address type here. Is it home or workplace? You'll be able to decide. Once this is done, you can move on to step 3. Now in step 3, we're going to choose a broker. But first, enter your date of birth. Once done, select a broker. Now pause. What you need to know is that a broker is a person or a firm that acts as an intermediary between an investor, which is yourself, and the securities exchange, which is in this case LUSE. They process the payment and exchange of shares, and in return they get a commission. Their fees are quite low, usually about 0.01%. Say you're buying shares of a company that are worth 1,000 kwacha. The approximate fee that a broker might charge you is probably 10 kwacha only. Be wary that different brokers charge different percentages in fees, so be sure to check before completing your purchase of shares or selling of shares. The MyLuse app has 5 brokers currently integrated and ready to process your purchase or sale of shares. You can choose any broker you wish to use. You can go ahead and choose the bank you are banking with. You can enter the branch, and you can also enter the account number, and this is where the funds will be remitted to or sent once you sell your shares. You are now ready to buy shares. Once this is done, you are almost ready to get started with purchasing and selling of securities. Step 4. We need to top up or load up your wallet. While on the dashboard, tap on the wallet icon. The app only supports MTN money at the moment, so be sure to take note. And this is why I emphasize that you have an MTN mobile money SIM or MTN mobile money account that you'll be able to use. Tap MTN, enter the amount. This should be any MTN mobile number which has your funds. Okay? MTN will request that you approve the transaction right on your mobile phone by entering the mobile money PIN. Once you've done this, you'll receive a reference number as well as a confirmation of your payment. In 5 minutes, check back in the MyLuse app and you'll notice the updated balance in your wallet. Now that we have money in the wallet, we can now start buying shares. Go over to the Market tab, browse through the list of listed companies, find the company you wish to invest in and tap on it. Remember to do your own research. Find a simple article to get started in the description below. Tap on Buy, make sure the broker you want is the one that's selected, enter the amount of shares you wish to buy, check the total cost and the fees, tap Buy, go to the portfolio. You should be able to see the new wallet balance and your shares. And that's it, you're officially an investor in securities. Now, before you go out and start buying shares, I want to share with you one of the best strategies that you absolutely need to know. So if you like the content of this video, go ahead and click like, subscribe, and click on the bell icon so that you get a notification each time I put out a new video. Now, the tip I want to share with you is what is known as the Kwacha Cost Averaging, or KCA. Kwacha Cost Averaging is an investing strategy that can help you lower the cost of investment as well as minimize the risk of investment. KCA is where you buy a small chunk of shares in the company you wish to invest in either weekly, monthly, or quarterly periods. The idea here is that you buy fewer shares when the price is high and you buy more shares when the price is low. And there is no need for you to perfectly time the market, which is nearly impossible to do so. So in a nutshell, you will reduce the average cost of each share of the company that you've bought. You can spread out your purchases in 100 kwacha per week or 400 kwacha monthly portions over a period of 12 months. If you want to get started with kwacha cost averaging, set a budget for how much you wish to spend on your investment every month, and then stick to that interval or frequency every time that you get your monthly pay. For example, you could invest 400 kwacha each month and stick to it over a course of 12 months. Now, this strategy is good for those that are beginning to invest and only have very small amounts of money to start buying shares. And it's also good for those that are interested in investing but do not have the interest in all the research that goes along with market timing. Remember, it's nearly impossible to time the market perfectly. So happy investing, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace. So now that we're done with the shares and everything, let's talk about that 65 million. Sure, 65 million. You know what I think? I think that Faith is
going to jail!